They had a 45-year friendship shattered by greed. How much money did he take of yours?
$350,000.
71-year-old Bob Govenat, who was hoping to pass on his good fortune to family, instead had his life savings swindled by his trusted friend and financial advisor, 67-year-old Algerd Norkus. Govenat says he felt like easy bait.
I beat myself up every day of why did I do it. I'm ashamed. I hurt.
Govenat's case is similar to those of Bernie Madoff's victims. Money was siphoned out of legitimate investments and checks written to Norkus directly.
He said, let's kind of move it from the annuity into a company that I own where I can guarantee that you'll get 13.5% on your money.
But then the interest checks that were hand-delivered stopped, and Norkus and all the money vanished.
Mr. Norkus I just let in, and shame on me.
Along with the pending criminal case in federal court, Govenat has filed a lawsuit with dozens of other victims, most retirees. The suit also targets Madison Avenue Securities, the brokerage firm Norkus worked for.
There were dozens of red flags.
Andrew Stoltmann is Govenat's attorney. He says the scam went on for years.
You had multiple massive withdrawals being taken out of the client's account and surrender charges being incurred, and yet no supervisor reached out to any of the clients, and that's really what allowed this Ponzi scheme to go on.
Cases of elder financial abuse are on the rise, up 12% according to a recent MetLife study.
Each and every year, about $2.9 billion gets absconded by financial exploitation of the elderly scams.
To protect your money, have a second set of eyes review all your financial documents and make a list of all assets, including jewelry, which is most commonly stolen.
Because if there is a problem, you want to be able to look at that inventory list.
Those with assets of $500,000 should put their savings in a trust. This way, only certain people, like the trustee, can parcel out money, and always do a background check.
I tell people, trust but verify.
Tragically, in half the cases, friends and even family, not strangers, are the offenders.
There are a lot of Mr. Norkuses out there today that are just waiting in the bushes to take your hard-earned money.
Congress is working on new legislation to better protect the elderly against financial exploitation. Norkus has pled guilty. Federal prosecutors say the maximum sentence is 20 years in prison. That's Smart Money. Kim Vadas, NBC5 News.